What if you could see liquidity clusters before market manipulation happens? This is exactly why you need to see this secret indicator. It shows you exactly where stop hunts will occur by mapping hidden liquidity pools. It's like having insider knowledge. And in this video, I'm going to reveal this indicator to you, show you the perfect settings for maximum accuracy, and give you 3 powerful strategies you can start using today. Let's get into it. To add this powerful indicator to your chart, first, head over to TradingView and pull up any chart you want. I'm using the 15-minute time frame on BTC/USD. But this works on any market, any time frame. Click on Indicators and type in Dynamic Liquidity Heat Map Profile. Make sure you select the one by Big Beluga. Now, this isn't a traditional volume profile that just shows executed trades. No, this is much better. It's a smart flow liquidity tracker that projects where stop loss clusters and resting limit orders are probably sitting. So instead of looking backward at what happened, it predicts forward where institutional traders will hunt next. Here's what makes it so powerful. You see these horizontal bars with heat coloring? The lime ones below price show where long stop losses are clustered, a buy-side liquidity. And the blue ones above show where short stop losses sit. That's sell-side liquidity. And see that orange highlighting? That's the POC, or point of control. It marks the absolute peak liquidity concentration. That orange zone is the magnet, the target where smart money wants to push price to grab maximum stops. On the right side, you've got a profile histogram showing you the distribution strength of each liquidity layer. Now, this indicator is powerful, but here's the reality. You'll learn this setup perfectly, but miss when the best moves happen. That's why I now automate proven strategies like these. So I no longer miss the best setups and can trade whilst at asleep or doing whatever. With strategies ranging from Forex to futures and gold. The best part is they even work at prop firms too. So if you're serious about getting funded and actually growing your account, but don't want to waste months trying to figure it all out on your own, click the first link in the description. You'll get access to the exact strategies hundreds of traders are using to trade fully passive. Now, before I show you how to trade this secret indicator, let's get your settings right. Double-click on the indicator to access the settings panel. You'll see the look back period first. This determines how many bars back the indicator scans for swing highs and lows. Set this to 100 for most intraday trading. This gives you a solid window of recent structure without going too far back into irrelevant history. Next is resolution, or bins, which controls how many price levels the indicator divides the liquidity zones into. I recommend you set this to 50 bins, the sweet spot for seeing clear liquidity layers without overcrowding your chart. Next, make sure the POC highlighting is enabled and set to orange. This makes your peak liquidity zones instantly obvious. Finally, enable the profile histogram on the right side to give you a quick visual reference of liquidity distribution strength. After that, click OK. Now, let me show you 3 ways to trade these manipulation zones like institutional players do. Strategy 1 is liquidity sweep anticipation. This is where you identify dense liquidity zones and wait for smart money to hunt them. You want to look for areas where the heat map shows thick lime or blue bars, especially when they're marked with orange POC highlighting. Here's how it works. When you see price moving toward a dense lime zone below current price, that's a setup. Those lime bars represent clustered long stop losses sitting below a swing low, and market makers know exactly where those stops are, and they're going to push price down to trigger them. But here's the key. Don't trade the initial sweep. Instead, wait for price to spike into that lime zone, grab all the stops, then reverse. This reversal will be your entry, because after smart money triggers the stops, they absorb that liquidity and push price back the other way. Enter long after the sweep completes with a bullish reversal candle. Place your stop loss just below the sweep zone and target the opposite side liquidity. Strategy 2 is the POC magnet trade. See these orange highlighted zones? It's not random. It represents the single price level with the highest liquidity concentration. Price is naturally attracted to these areas like a magnet because that's where institutional players can fill large orders. When you see price approaching an orange POC zone, treat that as your high probability target. If you're in a long position and you see orange POC above, that's your take profit zone. But if you're looking for entries, wait for price to reach the POC, sweep it, then reverse. Strategy 3 is the sweep and reverse setup, which combines everything. First, you want to identify a swing low with dense lime liquidity below it. Wait for price to push down into that lime zone. This is the stop hunt in action. Then, look for a violent wick followed by strong bullish reversal candles, which confirms that smart money absorbed the liquidity and is now pushing the other direction. Enter long on the close of the first strong bullish candle after the sweep. Place your stop loss below the sweep zone. For targets, look at the opposite side of the heat map. If there's blue liquidity above with an orange POC, that's your target. Smart money just hunted longs. Now they're going to hunt shorts on the other side. The histogram on the right helps you gauge which side has more total liquidity. This setup looks good, but you're already too late. By the time retail sees the signal, smart money is already taking profits, which is why we've built AI automated algorithms that trade every major market, Forex, futures, and commodities. The best part? You can trade these too, completely hands-off. While you're at work or sleeping, the automation executes proven strategies, even at prop firms too. No more burning through your account testing random indicators that never work. Skip all that and go straight to what actually works. But I'm only taking on 30 new traders this month because I personally